welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing good. So today I'm here to give you top 5 reasons why you should think of moving to Calgary. Let me make it clear, I'm not against any other city in Canada. All the cities are pretty good, but since I'm living in Calgary, I thought of sharing with you guys that why I chose to live in Calgary, and if you are planning to come to Calgary, this video will be very helpful for you. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So the first reason is that Calgary has been ranked as one of the top livable cities in the world and also a cleanest city in the world. So Calgary is right now at number 5 for the most livable cities in the world because of its infrastructure, healthcare, quality of life and cleanliness. And the crime rates as well are very low in Calgary. So if you are looking for a quality of life, you can choose Calgary. And also Calgary is very clean. I myself have experienced, and you will not find any garbage on the roads or side of the roads. City of Calgary takes care of that very nicely. So yeah, it's pollution free and cleanest city to live in Canada. So the second reason why you should choose Calgary is because of its affordability. Calgary is very affordable city as compared to Toronto and Vancouver. These cities are also very good place to live, but the cost of living is very high in those cities. So if you want a good quality of life and along with affordable pricing, I think you should choose Calgary. And the real estate prices are also not very high, and especially if you're a new immigrant, you will find cheap rental apartments, basements to live. Yeah, Calgary is like a very affordable city for especially for the new immigrants. So the third reason is the low taxes. Calgary has a very good taxation system, that is, you don't have to pay the provincial tax, you only have to pay the federal tax. So which is very good for the new immigrants because you will save lots of money on the groceries, clothing and other stuff. So less taxes and more saving. So the fourth reason would be the job. Anyone who plans to move to a place or any other new city, first thing comes to your mind that whether you will be able to find a job or not. So do not worry about jobs in Calgary because you have lots of job opportunities available because of the oil and gas industry, and this oil and gas industry also drive job in other sectors as well. So you will be able to find job in every sector, like almost every sector. And also Calgary has the highest concentration of head offices in the whole Canada. So these head offices create lots of job opportunities as well. So the fifth reason to choose Calgary to live is because of its location. Calgary is located in the foot of Rocky Mountains, which itself are so beautiful and the views are so breathtaking, and also it has to offer lots of outdoor activities for more balanced life. Like you can go for skiing, snowboarding, hiking and many more activities. There are endless activities to do in Calgary. In fact, Calgary hosts Canada's largest festival, that is Calgary Stampede, which is known as the greatest outdoor show on the earth. People from all over the world visit Calgary in the month of July, and it's so beautiful to see and so fun activities to do that you will never regret the decision of visiting Calgary. So if we sum up all the points, Calgary has to offer everything in order to live a balanced and healthy life. Being an immigrant myself, I never regret the decision of living in Calgary. So these were the important points why you should think of moving to Calgary. And if you have any further question or any doubt related to Calgary, please let me know in the comments down below. And you can also email me and follow me on Instagram and DM me there as well, and I will be happy to help you. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care and lots of love to you guys. Bye bye.